Tiffany, and I want to show you everything you're going to get in the Craft Crate combo. So in the combo, you are getting, of course, the Craft Crate, which is the black plastic rolling tote that's underneath. The other thing you're getting, the pink, well, you can choose it in black, pink, purple, or turquoise apron. And then you're going to get 3 of our buddy bags. You're getting the Edna bag. They're going to fit in this side pocket here. You're getting Edna. You're getting Teresa. And you're getting Shelly. And there's even more room in there, right? What else are you getting in this amazing combo? You are getting the Croppers pop-up trash can. So it just has little ties on the side, and then boom, there it is, right? So you're just going to drop that next to you. This is the perfect waste paper can as you're crafting. Just throw your scraps in there and then take that to the big container and dump it out. Super easy to use, folds up flat, ties together with these little silly little ties on the side. And then this also will fit in, tied or not tied, I don't have my glasses on, into the back pocket, or it will also fit into the side pockets behind your buddy bags, right? So with the Craft Crate combo, you get 3 buddy bags, the pop-up trash can, the rolling crate, and the apron that's around the crate. If you want to learn more about each individual piece, there's videos for all of those right here on our website. Thanks so much for tuning in. Have a great day.